Rejuvenate, restore, protect. Maui Moisture Color Protection plus Sea Minerals Shampoo is blended with rich sea minerals, pure algae and sea kelp to restore your color-treated hair and protect and rejuvenate to help support healthy-looking locks. Heal, Hydrate Soften. Maui Moisture Color Protection plus Sea Minerals Shampoo deeply quenches, nourishes, softens color-treated strands, to get hair back to looking healthy. Give hair a healthy-looking glow. Soft, hydrated hair. Creamy shea butter moisturizes strands, mends split ends. Get your hair back to looking healthy with this deeply quenching formula. Unique blend with aloe vera. Maui Moisture Shampoo, conditioners, hair styling treatment products start with a unique blend of aloe vera juice are infused with coconut water. Our shampoos conditioners are pH balanced, paraben-free, silicone-free. Maui Moisture quality. Try Maui Moisture if you've used products from Oriba, Amica, Bedhead, Garnier, L'Oreal, Herbal Essences, Kerastase, Brazilian Blowout, Sebastian, Matrix, It's a 10, Paul Mitchell, Purology, Big Sexy Hair, Joico, or John Frieda. Not all curls are the same. Waves, tendrils, coils, spirals. Not all curls are the same. And like curls, not all moisture is the same. Lightweight, heavy, creams, oils, lotions, milks, it can be overwhelming. We know how you feel. From cocktailing your products to pineappling your curls, we and our Curl Squad are with you to help you understand and empower your curls to find the level of moisture they need. Let our vegan, silicone-free, aloe-infused blends quench your curls. Top reviews from the United States. Love this product. I only use this product on my hair. I color my hair all the time, but with this product it doesn't fade as much. I can go at least 2 months without coloring using this product. Love it.